So, how can you get the country flags and other places on Instagram profile? Let me explain how it works and let's get started. So, if this is your first time here on this channel, subscribe and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So, the thing that you are referring to is most likely called the highlights, right? So, it's like these little circles which are on your profile and you can name them whatever you want, but most people just categorize their trips and just put like a countries or places that they visited into this highlight, and there you can like store your past stories, right? So they stay like, as a highlight forever on the profile. So naturally, at first you need to have some stories which you have uploaded to the Instagram in the past, right? So you gotta have that ready. But once you do, you can open up to or go to your profile like that. Then tap on the plus button next to the new. If you do not see it, just go to the three lines in the top right corner and go to the archive, right? And you can literally just tap on like your past stories and you can turn them into a highlight, right? So you can see that you have the ability to click on this, start a new one or add it to an existing one. And the point is that you can basically name it however you want, right? So usually people just give it the flags or countries or places, and that's how you can add the stories into highlights into these little circles with places and flags in them. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.